In today's video, I'm gonna show you Shopify how to add, remove, and rearrange payment icons in the footer of Dawn theme. When you're running a Shopify store with the Dawn theme, the footer is one of those small but powerful spaces that can influence trust. Those little payment icons, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Apple Pay signal to customers that your store is professional, secure, and ready to accept their preferred payment method. Customizing them, whether it's adding new icons, removing unused ones, or rearranging their order, helps you maintain both trust and brand consistency. To start, log into your Shopify admin dashboard here and go to Online Store followed by Themes. From here, locate your live Dawn theme and click on Customize. Once the theme editor opens, scroll down to the footer section. This is where you'll find the settings for your payment icons. By default, Dawn automatically displays the icons for whichever payment methods are enabled in your Shopify payments or other gateways. If you want to add or remove certain icons, you'll need to adjust which payment providers are active in your Shopify payments settings. For example, disabling PayPal in your payment settings will also remove its logo from the footer, while enabling Apple Pay will display it automatically. This method keeps your footer consistent with your actual checkout options. For more advanced controls such as rearranging the order of the icons or swapping them with custom versions, you'll need to edit the theme's code. In the theme editor, go back to the Actions drop-down for Dawn and choose Edit Code. Within the code files, open Footer, Liquid, or Footer Payment, Liquid, depending on your Dawn version. Here you'll see the Liquid snippet that calls the payment icons. You can rearrange the order by shifting the lines of code, or even replace the default icons with custom SVGs or images that better fit your brand style. After making edits, save your changes and preview the store to make sure everything looks right. With these steps, you can fully control how your payment icons appear in the Dawn themes footer. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.